Scene script. Have you ever dreamed of studying at the University of Cambridge? It's a prestigious institution renowned worldwide for its academic excellence. But how does one apply? The process might seem daunting, but with some guidance, it's entirely manageable. So sit back and let us guide you through the application steps. First, research and choose a course. Cambridge offers a plethora of undergraduate courses. Consider your academic interests, career aspirations, and the specific requirements for each course. Next, check the entry requirements for your chosen course. Cambridge typically expects high academic achievements, including excellent grades in relevant subjects. For some courses, standardized test scores are also considered. Then comes the application process. Applications are submitted through the UCAS, the Universities and Colleges Admissions Service System. Remember to submit your application by the deadline, typically in early January for most courses. Your UCAS application includes a personal statement, academic reference, and information about your qualifications. Some courses at Cambridge may require additional documents such as written work, a portfolio, or examples of relevant experience. Be sure to check the specific requirements for your chosen course. Cambridge often requires applicants to take a subject-specific admissions test. The type of test depends on the course you are applying for. Prepare thoroughly, as these tests are an integral part of the selection process. If your application catches the eye of the admissions team, you may be invited for an interview. Cambridge uses interviews to assess your academic potential, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking abilities. Practice with sample questions and review your personal statement and academic achievements to prepare. If you impress at the interview stage, you may receive a conditional offer. This means you must meet specific academic conditions, like achieving certain grades in your final exams, to secure your place. Once you meet the conditions, you can formally accept the offer. Don't forget to explore scholarship opportunities and financial aid options available at Cambridge. The university offers various scholarships based on academic merit and financial need. For international students, a student visa may be necessary to study in the UK. Make sure to check the latest visa requirements and guidelines. Accommodation is another important aspect to consider. Look into the options provided by the university or explore private housing in Cambridge. Finally, once you've secured your place, attend orientation sessions and complete the registration process upon arrival at the university. Keep in mind, the admissions process at Cambridge is highly competitive. So, be sure to demonstrate not only academic excellence, but also your passion for the subject and your ability to thrive in a challenging academic environment. And that's it. That's the application process for the University of Cambridge. Remember to regularly check their official admissions website for updates or changes in the application process. Each course may have its own unique requirements, so tailor your application accordingly. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Tech by Punch channel. Until next time.